I will talk about how to use MarketerBrowser. This software can log in multiple accounts in one website using the proxy. First, I will show to add proxy in Profile Management. Add a profile group. Add batch proxies from a file. 1 proxy per line. Select the profile group. Bind IP. Fingerprint. User agent. Set maximum binding number. The profile marked as green means binding successful. Next, I will talk about the browser group used to input website. Add a browser category name to distinguish from others. Select profiles mean to select the proxy I have added just now. You can input the website. Input a name to distinguish. You can click the right button to add a new website. I add a new website group. You can choose browser version. Select different proxy. I add the same website as above. As I had selected different proxies, so I can log in multiple accounts safely. Here I change some settings. Open those two website group. This is the category name. This is the website group name. Different website groups will be opened in different windows. Next part, I will take about account settings. Input a category name. Input website. Select module. The default module is Login and Accounts automatically. Select Browser. Choose Proxy. Add account. Password. You can change the proxy. Import multiple accounts from a file. In the file, account, and password needed to be placed in one line, separated by a comma. You can bind proxy for accounts here. You can another website here. Input a website name. Website link. You can change the settings. Here you can set operations for this module. By those setting, the settings for this part has been uploaded in another video. I put the video link in the description. Data submit storage. Save the data like comment, link, and image. Backup and restore browser and account category data. Log in White Hat Box account. If you do not have White Hat Box account, you can register an account. That's all. Thanks for watching.